In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your photo into 3D isometric view with Gemini AI. We'll move from a regular photo to a crisp, stylized isometric look and then load that result into Copilot 3D so you can view it in a three-dimensional space. I'll walk you through each click, share practical tips, and keep everything simple and clear. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in. Once you're on the main page, look for the plus icon. This is your starting point for a new creation. Click it, then choose to upload your image. Pick a clear, well-lit photo in JPG or PNG format. Higher resolution works best because isometric styles emphasize straight edges and clean color blocks. If your background is cluttered, selecting a simpler image can help Gemini render more defined shapes. After the image finishes uploading, find and click Tools. From there, select Create Image. This tells Gemini to generate a new visual based on your photo. When the prompt field appears, enter the exact text. Convert my photo into a stylized isometric artwork with vibrant colors and clean geometric angles. This prompt sets the tone, color style, and the precise geometry that makes isometric art pop. If your photo has small details, the geometric angles will help simplify them into neat, readable forms. Now, wait patiently while Gemini processes. Generation times vary depending on image complexity and your internet speed. You may see a preview or a loading indicator. Let it finish completely before making any decisions. When the result appears, check the colors and angles. If it looks good, save the image to your device. Saving as PNG typically preserves those sharp isometric edges. Keep the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Next, go to Copilot. Once you're there, click Labs to access experimental features. Find Copilot 3D, then click Try Now. Upload the isometric image you just saved and wait patiently again while it loads. Larger files can take a bit longer, so a steady connection helps. When it finishes, your isometric artwork will be ready to explore in the 3D environment, giving your flat, stylized image a fresh sense of depth and presentation. That's it. You've opened Gemini, uploaded your image, generated an isometric style with a clear prompt, saved the result, and brought it into Copilot 3D. Follow these steps whenever you want to transform photos into clean, vibrant isometric visuals and showcase them in a 3D view.